ready. I'm just wearing shorts.
Now unplug the scissors.
What's that? Good morning. 7 o'clock. Dadalhin ko pala itong karaoke. Kasi bili ito ng girls. And say holiday kasi alam nyo, I'll be singer din. Dadalhin ko ito. Are you bringing your pillow? Oh yeah? Bring your Russian keys. Open your blinds. And fix your bed. Sa labas siya nakasampay. Pinapasok ni John kasi hindi raw yan pwedeng 5 days sa labas. Hello guys. Kaalis-alis lang namin sa bahay. And nakamount kayo sa car ni John. Sabi ni John, make sure it's not on my way. So hindi naman. Say good morning guys. Good morning. How many degrees, son? 40 raw today. Adjust natin to. Ay, pataas. Ayan, 40 daw today. Ni-straight ko yung buhok ko today. Ang taga ko hindi ni-straight yung buhok. May kukunin lang si Jan dito sa shop.
So it's been really interesting. We've been undating texts and calls with them, and we have more that we will get to.
Ay, mali. I-try ko yung lens kung magwa-wide siya. Is it wide, Zach? When I put the lens, is it wider?
Yes.
Or
Take it off.
what? Look.
With the lens.
With the lens?
Yes.
Stay there, Zach.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Say good morning, Kuya.
I did.
Say hi. Didn't see you. Good morning. Mainit siya ng ano. Ginamit ko yung yung nabili natin sa Target, yung terno, pero hiwalay ang price. Hiwalay ang price. Ayan si John. Do I have package, Han?
Huh?
Do I have package? You didn't ask. Okay, let's go. Uy, tinanggal niya yung tubig ko dun sa ano. Nilagay niya yung coke. Sana huwag kayo mahulog. Yeah. Sports day today. Pero wala sila. So they're not gonna cancel it. Hindi natin kita si John. Gusto ko kita rin si John. My camera, car mount hat. Do you like it? Inangat ko talaga siya doon sa pinakataas para hindi sa ano niya ba, hindi sagabal sa pag-drive. Pero yung camera nga lang natin, maliit lang naman siya. So huwag lang kayo mahulog. I was eating popcorn. Please bang mahulog. Sana wala akong naiwan. Yes. Did you bring bags? Why not? Why are you using that, Papa?
I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall.
Daan muna kami dito sa school ng mga bata. Kasi today, babayad tayo ng tuition ng mga bata. Kasi dumating na yung bills kahapon or Monday ata. Basta etong week. So, bayaran lang ni Jan. And ang ginagawa namin ay binabayaran namin ng full year para ma-avail namin yung discount. Kasi sayang din ng discount na yun. So, hintay lang natin si Johnny Boy.
And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Car wash!
Car wash.
Oh.
Where are we going to eat?
Yeah, I agree.
Yes, same.
Fucking fine, eh?
Can we go to the OTR?
Oh, which one?
The OTR just over there.
Oh, yeah.
How about Keith Hunt?
No.
We're not going to Keith.
Oh, for chicken.
Oh, that's my chicken.
Try ako
I'm really
mag-edit.
pale.
You helping out, Holly?
Yes.
Go, have a
Alright.
stretch. Nag-edit tayo para may vlog ulit tayo mamaya. Work, work, work. How many degrees lang, kuya, outside?
It is 45.
No, not yet. How many?
It's 29.
29?
No, it's 25. Wait, that's important.
Mama,
27.
27.
What are your foot?
And so far, hindi kayo nahuhulog. Finger crossed. Sana magstay kayo. Ayan, sinasabon na tayo. Oops, mali. Oops. Oops, mali na naman. Egg.
That sprayed me, Mom.
We're done. Where?
Look at me.
Oh, yeah, you're wet. Look at that. Get your bag, please.
That's clean.
Yeah, very clean. Narakot na pala tayo. Sa narakot tayo. How many degrees, babe?
It's cool down now. So it's perfect.
Hindi natin nakikita ang aking yan.
Gimme a whistle thingy, Mom. Lens.
let's make it wider.
Oh, but, here, I'll stay here, see if it gets wider. Yeah, that
it?
gets wider.
Okay.
I was so close, but now so far. I was here.
It's only 10:16, hon.
Give me a bell.
So hindi pa lunch. Okay, mag-edit tayo habang nasa biyahe. Ang ini-edit ko na ngayon, today is Feb 26. Ang ini-edit ko ay Feb 23. So, 3 days late lang yung vlogs natin. Hopefully, ma-sustain natin yan. Ma-sustain. Where are you gonna eat, yeah?
What are you gonna eat?
Where?
That's right, Penarrow.
Penarrow.
I
How
should
far?
have thought about that.
How far?
Nah, that's right.
2 hours back way. Yeah, it's only 10:17. Did you get some snacks? No? Yes, you did. You already ate it. You know what, Baba? I forgot the apples to cut.
Mom, Dad.
Yeah, nakalimutan ko ikat yung apples. Naisip ko na yun, pero nakalimutan ko.
Give me a bell.
Pwede nyo na yung baon sa Tuesday. Kasi okay pa yun for sure. Hala, oh my God, so tight, babe. Mag-lunch muna kami dito sa Penarrow. What time is it? Anong oras? 12:19.
Oh, it will be.
Anong meron dito? Huh? It's so hot. Come on. Gusto niya daw mag-swim. Mag-init talaga. Nasa 30 na. Come on, Baba. Anong meron dito? OTR. Ayan, sandwich. What's that? Teriyaki chicken? How about you, Baba? Oh, there, Baba. There's... Oh, you want this? Gusto ko to. Krispy Kreme. Okay? Yeah. Okay, kain na tayo ng lunch. Dito tayo sa car.
I got
What you
a
got?
chicken tender and one thing thin.
Where's
And then I got, and there's donuts. And then I got an extra watermelon mango flavor chewy.
Kuya sandwich. Sa akin, sweet chili chicken. Merong ano, hindi ko alam kung nalagyan ng parang lipstick yung aking short. Hindi ko alam kung paano.
You want to probably share that one?
Okay, thank you. Oh, that's already frozen.
Yeah.
Dala kasi namin yung ango. Yung ref na maliit.
Oh,
Thank you, babe. Paano ko kayo nakuha itong ano? Stain ko. May
Where's
lipstick
me?
yung ano ko.
that's the tart.
Yung short. What the?
That's the tart.
Kaya may custard tart si Jan. Where's my donut? I got original.
There's two in there, Mom.
Yeah, because I want to. Just the original
I
stuff.
don't like donuts anymore.
Really? Oh, that's good. More for mommy.
No, I want one.
You got Lord Always. That's why we have all dessert.
I want to go sushi.
Well, It's your fault.
You didn't want to get anything. It's your fault if you didn't want to get a lolly.
That's right. And yung inedit ko nasa 33 minutes na. So, hilong-hilo tayo sa kaka-edit pero kaya yan.
You put this in the bin for me? Guys,
Sarap to.
drop food in there.
Sana matanggal itong mancha. Lipstick. Ano kayo? Yung parang natalsikan siya. Kasi, ito yung kaisa. Sabi ni Kuya, ang laki. Yeah, it is Kuya.
They look like a square. They're not a rectangle. It's not the best.
It's not the best.
No.
Which one is the best?
Pink, probably.
No,
No.
the one in Marketplace.
What's it called?
The Captain, is it? I'm not sure. Camp.
No.
No?
Penny.
Kmart?
Yeah.
Is the best? Not in the Marketplace?
Not
Hmm.
in this.
The Centro.
Yeah. Really,
The
son?
Simpsons are so
Yeah.
hard.
What doing so hard?
They're hard to buy.
Wow. Si Kuya, linagyan niya ng soya sauce yung kanyang sandwich.
It's rice.
You want to drink back? Wipe your mouth on.
I made a piss, but I'll stop.
There's a toilet there, nice and clean. Sa road na lang daw siya ihi. Pag lalaki, no? Basta sana lang. Hindi nakita si Jan. Liam. Oh. Another 2 hours, huh? Right?
1.5.
Oh no, so wait a minute, how many cars it is? Lobster.
Oh my God. Ang daming ikot-ikot. Nahilo na ako. Water has really cold.
Isn't there a playground here?
Why?
We're not going there. I want to get there.
We're gonna play sa?
Yeah, the one we always stop at.
That's right. Is it the one with that?
But over there.
Dati, no? Nung sobrang lit pa nila. As in. Tayo nag-stop sa ano? Mga park. Where's your music, honey?
You're happy now?
Yeah. Why?
I'm so hungry.
You're still hungry? So parang siya.
Can you tell me where to start? I need someone to empty this heart.
Yeah.
Any direction now would help.
38.
There's a fly.
Wow.
Let me give you a piece of advice, she said.
says no girls on.
Dad!
No
It
girls.
says
What
hi.
doesn't it say no boys allowed?
Lobat na yung ating laptop. Meron pa tayong 8 minutes bago siya mas-save. And hiniram ko yung charger ni Jan sa phone niya. Pero nagre-red na siya. Oh. Siguro mabagal ang charger na to dito sa car. And ayan yung ating view habang hinintay natin si Johnny Boy.
They're here again. The old people.
Dito tayo sa
63,
ating
62, 61.
cabin. Oh, very nice. This we have table.
We always don't have a time.
So, wag na tayo cabin tour kasi nakita nyo naman to. Nilagay na agad-agad yung lobster. Ito luto, etong isa hilaw. And meron tayong dalang embutido. Sobrang init sa labas. And yung unang ginawa, super init. Unang ginawa ko ay chinarge ko agad-agad yung laptop kasi low-bat na siya. Inon agad ni Jan yung aircon and pinasok na yung mga gamit. Mag-grocery muna kami. Grocery muna kami.
Oh, I've got to slide, yeah. Let's go swimming.
Bag para magamit namin sa aming grocery. Suka, toyo. Nakahanap wala ako ng kalamansi na hindi pa bukas. So, ito yung dinala ko. Ito. Ang init. Ang init nila. Han, don't buy sauce because I have it. Sa, can you please, TJ, get my pillow? It's on the floor.
That's my pillow.
That's mine. And may dala akong yung bagoong, yung walang yung hilaw mismo kasi baka mag-Bicol Express tayo.
Dad. Dad.
Asukal, asin, chicken powder. Okay. And meron tayong bean bag para sa aming labahan. Si Kuya gusto niya mag-fishing agad-agad.
I'm gonna go, Dad. I'm gonna go in the water like today and it's spray
And
what?
may dala tayong asukal. Bakit ako doon? Nandito kayo. Ay, dinala ko to, yung fish skin.
There's oil.
Yes, we need oil. And itong tajin.
Arden's cooking
Or
the eggs
tahin.
for breakfast.
Tajin. Yung mga biscuits. Nagdala ko ng malagkit na rice.
Chicken eggs.
And yung bawang natin tapos sili.
Okay.
What?
I'm gonna show exactly what did wrong.
What's that? Hindi ko pinapakita sa kanya kasi
Look,
ito
sir,
naman
did you-
kakainin niya araw-araw. And yung ating bawang, yung dinala ko to. Bawang and sili.
Password is that?
Why? Is that the internet?
Might say on that for.
Will we go to that place? Will we go to that place over there?
Ah, dito na lang para kita ng mga bata para sa inyo nila. See, nakita na ni Kuya yung pancit canton.
Oh, I'm still buying some. I'm buying the better ones. The mee goreng one.
Ah, gusto ni Kuya yung mee goreng.
You know, last time I had them. Last time I was here. Was the last time I
Eh,
had
nagdala
them.
akong plastic.
Dad, you already brought pumpkin.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go. Ah, yung mga vitamins.
Is there fly sprays out? I should look under the sink. There's fly spray.
Crap one. That's ours. not.
Si Mars nagmay
As I
nito.
was saying, it's not too bad. This is going to smell.
Didn't we roll that one?
Okay.
Hey, attach. Wait, Dad, I looked at the table in front of us now. Oh, I want to do
Ah, your
that.
vitamins here, ha?
Dad, can we ask
May
someone?
flying.
No.
Yeah, if you want it.
Okay. No, you're asking. Can I? Can I, Dad?
Go
No.
and come.
Who are you asking?
Lock the door, they don't come.
Where's the case? Is my fishing not good there?
Oh. Good. Grabe ang init. Yung hangin mainit.
Masarap. I wish I could just take a swim.
Dito yung Baker's Delight. Lang coast dito, meron sila Woolworths or Woolies.
Do I hit people in the leg?
Pinalitan niya yung sa cans na yung maliliit na Coke. No big one. There's no big one. Careful with my camera, Ben. Eggs. Yeah, we got mine.
Do we need eggs now?
Ito, tingnan mo. Pinapatingin niya kay daddy niya yung price
Was $5.
for lollies.
This told when I was 11.
What's that?
Yeah.
Taller or on taller? I'll be taller than him.
Kaya tayo ng bread. Wow. Thirsty. My God, yung init as in malala.
It melted all the ice in here, now there's wala.
Now is wala. Very good Tagalog, Baba. Very good trying. Balik na tayo dito sa cabin. Where's the ice cream? We have to put it in the freezer.
Hey Mom, can I have my drink now?
This is Daddy's coffee. Nakakuha si dyan ng coffee sa sa gasolinahan.
And after we put all the groceries away, we're going to.
Siya, kuya mag-swimming. Sila, kuya mag-swimming.
So we've got to be quick,
Mga
Mama.
kinuha snacks. M&M, akong kumuha, kumahang scrunchies. Si Kuya, Indomie. Ay, put this one in the freezer, Kuya. Ito pa dito.
Is my drink there?
What's your drink? Yeah. Kumuha kami nito, yung Dole Pine Mango. Kuya, iba naman yung brand. Ano to?
Just put
Glee.
some- cut it in
Glee.
Sprite.
Watermelon
Which
kay
one do you
Kuya.
like? This one?
That's yours. Put all your drinks there so you have cold drinks when
Can I open
you...
it there?
Cold, Kuya. Let it... No, it's not gonna be nice when it's not cold. Bumili tayo ng mayo. Yung Japanese one. Oy, Kuya, can you put some...
I'm putting this one.
Meron tayong mga Coke, Sprite. Nagre-ready na siya for ano, for swimming. Egg. And meron tayong Life Saver. And what's this one? Waffle on.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
And water ito, please.
Oh, that don't fit.
Where's the sibuyas? Sorry.
I don't know. The other drinks. So guys, I got the sour watermelon
And
flavor.
yung dinner namin tonight is steak sandwich or roast. Para simple lang.
Oh, these
And kuha ko
drinks?
ng pork belly. Wala silang yung ano, wala sila yung chili, yung haba. And tinanong ko kung bakit wala. Kasi sabi ko kahit dun sa call sa amin, wala. Sabi nung babae, hindi raw pwedeng makapunta dito sa yung parang interstate dahil daw sa flood. So yun. Kaya sabi ko, ang tagal nang walang sili.
And we got the drink
walang reason.
Pine Mango 100% juice. I got the sour watermelon one.
What's this one? This is Daddy. Si Diyan kumuha ng caramel.
I got Glee sour watermelon. I love
This is
sour.
it.
And
Good.
No?
bacon.
What?
That's mine.
Mom, did you get pine mango?
Yes, that's mine.
What did Quincy get?
And itong sausage na to, shibachi, ewan ko yan, ang haba niya, shibachi,
Chocolate mom.
shibachi. Put it there, please. Put all the drinks now in the fridge because it's really hot. Halos laman ng ating fridge is
Bro,
drink.
they're getting.
Put in the bottom one. This one pa. This two. And we're all good.
Put the
Ready na
fridge.
siya mag-swimming.
Oppo. Mom,
Here,
look at
hon.
the big
One.
hair ties.
Dad, these are wet.
Why?
So, ito yung kinapay natin.
That
See, I told you, this is hard, see? And, kumuha tayong sunscreen.
And it's the pump one.
Yep, and
Barbecue
pagkamanda.
sauce.
Yeah, so, ayan na yung itsura ng ating kusina.
Those dodgy.
Ayan yung mga vitamins. Empty ko na yung aking luggage pala. And si Holly, ito yung susuotin niya. Pang swimming. And nandito na yung aking mga pouches. Yan, ito kay Holly. Yung sa pinakababa para abot niya lang. Punta na tayo ng pool. My God, ang init. It's painful, but yung dalawang boys nauna na. Bye, Baba. Follow Daddy.
Dad, take that way. Why do we have to take over?
Wait for the bucket. It's coming. Alright, get your Crocs, please. Okay, let's go. That hurt.
I have no idea. Right.
Okay. Dito naman tayo sa pool area. Is that a tree? Oh. That was a good one.
Wait, Dad, I'm gonna do it. Go. Hey, Dad.
Ayan, dito rin tayo sa tubig. Hindi ako nakaswim, so hindi ako makakapag-swim. Sobrang init pag nakaupo ka lang, kailangan mo nandito ka talaga para mag-cool down ka. Tayong baon dito, meron tayong wasabi. Ayan. And dala ko yung buchiron. Kunti na lang to. Combos, yung cheddar cheese, tubig, and syempre sunscreen. And towel. Kain tayo buchiron. Sarap. Sarap nito. Spicy. Ha? Tapos na. Tapos na sila mag-swimming. Magluluto na kasi ako ng dinner.
Can't wait to have steak burgers tonight.
Yep. What? Ito na niya yung drink ni Holly. Nakaligo na yung mga bata.
Apple juice, but
Dad, Mom.
Nandiyan yung mga phones nila.
Yeah, let him try it. Shit.
Try Lisa.
That'll do. Zach, no, you have a taste.
Yeah, taste not. Drink.
It's not real good, is it?
good actually.
You
You like
reckon?
it? Have one? Oh, it's sour. No, that's TJ.
I want one.
No, you
You didn't
get
get one.
one.
What? Dad, can I conclude it? Is that one yours?
Hurry up and get off it, right?
Put this one up.
Oh, I want one of them.
Cheese, John.
Have one more sip.
Give her a sip. Give her a sip, Ollie.
Luto na ako.
One.
It's alright.
One.
Is this the new CJ?
Chuninos. Tawag niya siya dito, chuninos.
Can I cook them?
See that one? The other one just had that letter on it.
Shivachi.
Savachi.
Wait, Dad, can I cook them? Wait, can I cook them?
Oh,
So good.
Bro, so I have something to do. Mum, I'm cooking them.
Eto, chivapachichi. Chiva? Tingnan ko. Chivapachichi.
Alright, Mum, I'm cooking them.
On sale siya, naka $7. No, I'll do it.
No, Dad said I can do them, Mum.
Honey, what are you doing?
What phone case is this?
I don't know. I know it's from-
I don't like it. I like your first one.
It's alright. Is it on?
Wait, is it eggs?
Hello.
Goodbye.
This one. This. That one. That. So, scotch fillet tong ating gagawing steak burger nila.
Dad. Dad.
Maninipis lang to, ha? Cold?
Cold.
Ay, ayun pala. Kanina kasi parang ang dilim. Okay na to. Alright. Wala silang chopping board. So, gamitin natin to. Itong kutsilyo, hindi siya matalim. O, diba? And you can't even cut the tomato bread. Oh, mas matalim yung ito. Do you want me to cook this off?
Yeah, cut it off like that.
Yeah. Huh?
Can you cook my onions?
Okay, I can cook your onions after.
My onions? Mom, can you cook my onions?
No, you don't like onions. Ayan na yung ating steak tsaka yung sausage or chibachi. Nagluluto pa ako ng eggs. Nagbabatter na si Jan ng
Where's my plate?
bread.
Where did you get plate from?
There.
Hey, Mom, it's done. You'll be
Yeah, no.
I'll do it, Kuya.
Because the egg's going to run to the bottom, right? Yeah. So it's not split at the bottom. Right. Good?
Good? Really good.
Oh, butter!
It's really good.
Oh, cool!
So I have runny yolk with egg, cheese, and butter. And
Kay Jan, ito. Boy, good? How's yours, good? Ito yung egg ni Holly tsaka ni Sak. Pangit magprito ditong eggs kasi tumilikit. Pero Kerry. Yeah? You want
sausage thingy.
you want sausage?
Look!
Tapos na silang kumain. Si Kuya nandun sa my river. Nagpi-fishing na si Kuya. And ako nakapaglinis na dito. Nalinis ko na yung mga pinagkainan. Nakapaghugas na. Linis na ulit ang ating kitchen. Parang walang nangyari. Ayan si Kuya. Ang bait niya is corn. Oops. Yung magkamuka. Nag-fishing. What time is it on? 8.
Look at
8:40 na, guys.
watch how fast she goes.
Wow.
Did I say? I didn't say how fast I go.
Dito kayo sa labas. Maganda na yung hangin. Pumunta sila sa pump truck. Ayan si Sak. Si Kuya dito pa rin fishing. Wala pa rin siyang nahuhuling isda. Did you get my phone, Baba? Pinaka-okay huli yung phone ko kasi naka-charge. Daddy, look daw. Thank you, Baba.
I looked at me.
Ang ganda. Ganda ng
Nice and
ano.
colorful.
Yes.
Purple on the back.
Yeah. Careful, Kuya, with your knife. Diyos ko, ang tulis ng knife mo, ha?
So does my knife.
What's that knife?
Dad's boat one.
Oh, so you be
uses it
careful.
And this is
Ang ganda na ng ano ng wind.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.